Yo, what's up, you guys? Lil Stocks Bro here, giving you an update on my options account as I do every Monday through Friday. I show you how much I'm up, how much I'm down, what I bought, what I sold. Currently, that's all this channel is really about. That's not what I intended this channel to be for. I want this channel to be geared more towards helping you guys start in the stock market and help you guys grow your accounts. That's why this Friday, I'm going to make an announcement on something I'm going to do in this channel to help it be a little bit more geared towards you guys. But until then, let's show you guys where my account stands today. It's about 20 minutes before market close. It's the first time I'm going to do this because usually I record my videos late at night. But I had some time today to record it while the market was still open. So I'm going to show you guys where my account stands 20 minutes before market close. And then I'll show you again where it stands right before the market closes. So let's check that out. Okay, so currently my account is at a little over $18,000, as you can see over here. Earlier in the day, at around 1 o'clock, we were at our height of $18,580, up about $1,000 on the day. We're currently only up about $573 on the day. We had a low right at the open. We were down about $800, and then we kind of bounced along. And just about 40 minutes ago, we were only at about break even on the day, but we are recovering into the close of about $609 now. You can see it moving in real time. And a lot of that, I'm just going to tell you right now, a lot of that is thanks to Alibaba, but we're going to get into that just in a moment. First, we have to start with AMD because it's my smallest position. So AMD today is, all right, down about 0.4%. Didn't move too much. It did have a little bit of a roller coaster at around 1 o'clock, being up 0.4%. and then down 1%. One thing I do want to point out with AMD, though, that I think is important, if you look over here, $76.60, it bounced, came right back down, bounced, came right back down, bounced, came right back down, bounced, came right back down again, and bounced again. $76.60 for AMD is a very strong support, it seems like. So if I were to buy, that would be the area I would buy. Right now I can't because I'm really heavily invested in the other two already. But if I were to keep adding to this position, 76.60 would be the number. So taking a look at my position on it, though, I have two contracts for a value of $1,496. Today I'm down $134. I mean, AMD is down today, so I'm down $134 for a total return of negative $374 for AMD. All right, so moving back. We will next jump into good old XPeng. You already know about XPeng. XPeng today got smacked. At its lows, it was down about 4%, 4.2% on the day. Currently only down about 2.4%. It is recovering into the close, which is why you saw my account start recovering into the close. I did buy a contract on XPeng. We'll get to that at the end. For my positions, though, I have now 15 contracts on XPeng for a total value of $6,106. Today's return is negative $319 for a total return of negative $4,647. And again, for those of you that are new to the channel, a lot of this is coming from my older contracts on XPeng that I bought before the whole market correction took place. So that's what I got. And now the final one, the big boy, one you've all been waiting for, Alibaba. Okay, Alibaba did beautifully today and still doing beautifully, going up into the close as well. It looks like the entire market is probably trending up into the close. So today it's up about 2%. And yeah, it started low, started in the negative, down in the 20s, but it's been recovering and just trending its way up all day. So if we take a look at my position on Alibaba, I have 6 contracts for a total value of $10,641. We finally got over 5 figures on Alibaba, which has been my plan, my goal. Today, we got back $1,180 on Alibaba. It's a nice little return for a total return of negative $222. So we're just at about break even. Now, Alibaba did go up Friday, gave me back $1,000 on Friday. It went up today, gave me back another $1,000 today. Tomorrow, if Alibaba continues to go green, I will end up selling off one of these contracts, and it'll most likely be this $235 call you see here that expires in June. I'll sell this off for about break even and build up some cash and wait for that. I mean, I'll build up some cash, and the reason I do that is so I can put myself in sort of a win-win situation, right? So if Alibaba goes up again, it'll give me probably like another $1,000. I'll sell this call, which ends in June, get for break even, but just to get the money back. That way, if Alibaba continues to go up, I still have 5 contracts on it. I'm going to be making money. I'm fine with that. If Alibaba ends up going down, pulling back a little bit, I'll be able to take the money that I got from that contract that I sold and buy a better one that's longer term and that hopefully has an even lower break-even price. So that's why I do what I do. It's kind of my system that I have in place. It's been working out for me, especially with Alibaba. Like I said, Alibaba in the 220s, it's money express. As you can see, it didn't last in the 220s very long. Now, it could pull back tomorrow, back into the 220s. Who knows what's going to happen? But I personally believe that Alibaba from here will start to trend up. So that's Alibaba. Those are the 3 stocks that I have positions in. And so now we're going to get to the spreadsheet so we can see exactly what it is that I did today in terms of buying and selling. So here's the spreadsheet. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you guys. All right, here's the spreadsheet. Exit out of that. Today I bought some XPeng. You guys know it's kind of a habit with me. If one of the stocks that I believe in is really down on a day, I'll buy contracts on it. XPeng was down 4% at one point today, and you can guess that that's when I purchased this contract when XPeng fell below $31. So to contract on XPeng has a $35 strike price, a break even of $4.40. But it expires on October 15th, and this is something that I'm going to start doing that you guys are going to see now. All these contracts that I bought, I like them. The only thing I don't like about them are the expiration date. Every day that passes, this expiration date gets closer and closer. And at this point today, this expiration date is only about three and a half months out, which for contract standards, for me, is a little too short. I would like to have them at least 6 months out. So 3.5 months is not that long, but the market did get beat up these past months. So I think it somewhat justifies being able to get them relatively short term. But either way, I still want to extend these expiration dates as much as I can into the future, especially as they go up, and I'm able to start flipping these contracts, sell one, buy at a lower price on the dips, on the pullbacks. So that's what you'll see me start doing. All these expiration dates will be pushed further and further back into the year, into October, into January of 2022, and so on and so forth. You want these expiration dates to be as far into the future as possible, so you don't have to worry about anything short term. The market is a long-term game. You want to keep it that way. So I bought one contract for $540, and I bought that today. So increasing my position on XPeng, I don't mind increasing my position on XPeng. One thing I do want to note though is my 2 largest positions are both in the tech sector, and they are both from China. That's one thing that I do want to change as we progress. So once XPeng does climb closer to around $40 per share, I'll probably take all my profits and switch over to a different company in a different sector. But before the market closes, I said I was going to show you guys. There's about 7 minutes until market close, so we'll go right back over there, right over here. All right, so I'm currently at $18,390. Since I've been recording this video, I've been going up, up $859 on the day today. And yeah, this was overall a good day, and hopefully tomorrow it can continue. So there you guys have it. Hopefully we can end the day closer to around $1,000. That'd be nice. I'll be back again tomorrow with the next update, and I'll catch you guys then.